Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. This is Instagram post collection and the downloading link in the description. You will reach my website GFX, and here in this article you can download from here. So these are 3 posts. You need to extract this file, and here this is a sample image, and here this is the PST format. And here this is completely customizable. You can see all the posts. There are almost 9 posts, and you can edit each one of posts. Here logo, text, social media, image also. This is completely customizable. You can add, just simply drag image and add to each logo. And here these are other posts. These are sample of that post. This is JPG format, and this is license premium, and this is the post. And again this is sample. You can edit them any way you want, and this is the PST post. And these are nine posts. That's it in this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also like this video. Take care.